Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are staying healthy and safe at home. Welcome to your English class, children. In the previous class, we had started the lesson how the balloon was launched, right, children? Yes. And what was the story about, children? I had also attached the video of Dorothy at the beginning of my explanation. Yes or no? Hope you all have watched that video. So the story was about what? About Dorothy who whirls in a tornado to a magical land, right? And now she wanted to get back to her home. No, children. Yes. So whom did she meet? She wanted to meet Wizard of Oz and take his help to go back to his place called Kansas. Yes or no, children? She took the help of Oz and they started to sew the what? Silk to make a balloon, right, children? Yes. So later, let us see the story and understand whether she reached their uncle and aunt's house, or let us see what happens. Okay. Yes. Open page number 51, children. So Dorothy took a needle and thread, and as fast as Oz cut the stripes of silk into proper shape, the girl sewed them neatly together. First, there was a stripe of light green silk, then a stripe of dark green, then a stripe of dark green, and then a stripe of emerald green. For Oz wanted to make the balloon in different shades of the color about them. It took 3 days to sew all the stripes together, but when it was finished, they had a big bag of green silk more than 20 feet long. So children, so Dorothy started to took the needle and thread, and she started to what? As fast as O started to cut the stripes of silk, what did Dorothy did? She started to sew neatly together. Understood? First, there was a stripe of which color, children? Bright green silk, and then they took dark green, and then a stripe of emerald green. So, in a proper shape, they started to sew the what? Silk together. Understood? So, by taking the help of needle and thread. Needle and thread means what, children? Suji and Suji Dara. Understood? Yes. Okay, and later Oz wanted to make the balloon in different shades. So Oz wanted to make the balloon in different colors. Okay, different shades. So, and also children, it took how many days? It took 3 days for them to sew all the stripes together. But when they finished, they had, after finishing, what happened, children? They had a big bag of green silk, more than 20 feet long. So when everything was ready, how it was, children? It was looking like a big bag of green silk, more than how many feet, children? More than 20 feet long. Understood? Yes. Then Oz painted it on the inside with a coat of thin glue to make it airtight, after which he announced that the balloon was ready. So what did Oz do? Then Oz painted it on the inside with a coat of thin glue. Airtight means, children, gali adada, not allowing air to escape or pass through. Understood? Yes. Announced that the balloon was ready. So later he announced that the balloon was ready. Okay. But we must have a basket to ride in, he said. So he sent the soldier with the green whiskers for a big cloth basket, which he fastened with many ropes to the bottom of the balloon. So children, yes. So if the balloon is ready now, but they wanted a basket, right, for that to ride in. So what they did, he said, he said that he wanted a basket to ride in. So what he did, children, so he sent a soldier with green whiskers. Whiskers is nothing but a part of beard which grows upon the sides of a face, children. Okay, beard. Okay, for a big cloth basket. So he sent word for a big cloth basket, and so that, and also after he got the basket, what he did, children, he fastened with many ropes to the bottom of the balloon. So you can see, he did like this. He fastened the ropes for the bottom of a balloon. Understood? Yes. Oz ordered the balloon be carried. Sorry, your children. When it was all ready, Oz sent word to his people that he was going to visit his great brother wizard who lived in the clouds. The news spread quickly throughout the city, and everyone came to see the wonderful sight. So what happened, children, when all was ready, when the balloon was ready, what did Oz say, children? Oz sent word to his people. He gave a message to his people that he was going to visit his great brother wizard, his brother who lived in the clouds. Clouds ali. So he is going to meet him. So he is going in the balloon to meet him. Understood? The news spread quickly throughout the city. So news ಏನೇನಾಯ್ತು? It was spreaded quickly throughout the city. And everyone came to see a wonderful sight. So everybody was curious to see the balloon. So they wanted to see the balloon, which was a wonderful sight. Oz ordered the balloon be carried out in front of the palace, and the people gazed upon it with much curiosity. The Tin Woodman had chopped a big pile of wood, and now he made a fire of it. And Oz held the bottom of the balloon over the fire, so that the hot air that arose from it would be caught in the silken bag. So children, Oz, what he did, he ordered the balloon to be carried front of his palace, and people gazed upon it with much curiosity. So children, people were much curious to know about what? About that balloon, because they have not seen that ever, and they were just staring at the balloon itself. Okay, the Tin Woodman had chopped a big pile of wood. So the Tin Woodman, he had chopped a big pile of wood. Pile is nothing but a mass of things together, children. And now he made a fire of it. So with that wood, he made a fire, and Oz held the bottom of the balloon over the fire. So at bottom of the balloon was over the fire, so that the hot air that arose from it would be caught in the silken bag. So the hot air will be coming from the fire, no children, so that will be caught inside the balloon. Understood? ಆ ಬಿಸಿ ಗಾಳಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಸಿಲ್ಕನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ caught ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Slowly the balloon swelled out and rose into the air. So ಆ ಗಾಳಿ hot air ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, slowly the balloon swelled is nothing but to become bigger. ಗಾಳಿ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, it started to ಊದ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಪ್ಪ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಡಿತು, swelled. Okay, and rose into the air, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಧಾನ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಗಾಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ. Until finally the basket just touched the ground. Okay, until finally the basket just touched the ground. Then Oz got into the basket and said to all the people in a loud voice, I am now going away to make a visit. While I am gone, the scarecrow will rule over you. I command you to obey him as you would me. So children, then Oz got into that basket. Which basket? In the balloon. There was a basket, right? In the basket, he got into it and said to all the people in a loud voice. What did he say in a loud voice to the people, children? He said that I am going away to make a visit to meet my brother. So while I'm not there, when I'm not there, who will take care of them? Scarecrow will rule you. Okay, and you should obey as you were obeying me. Understood? So he commanded the people, means he ordered the people. Okay. The balloon was by this time tugging hard at the rope that held it to the ground. For the air inside it was hot, and this made it so much lighter in the weight than the air outside. So it pulled hard to raise into the sky. So children, the balloon was tugging, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಗಾಳಿ ತುಂಬ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ. ಸೊ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ಇಟ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೈ, ಅದು ಆರಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ದ ರೋಪ್ ದಟ್ ಎಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ it to the ground. Okay, for the air inside was hot, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ ಗಾಳಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಫ್ಲೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಎಳಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಗಾಳಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಪುಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಟು ರೈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಕೈ, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇದ್ದು ಸ್ಕೈಗೆ ಆರ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್. Come, Dorothy, cried the wizard. Hurry up or the balloon will fly away. So wizard is going on calling Dorothy, children. Come, Dorothy, come fast. Hurry up or else the balloon will fly away. Bega ba illandre balloon fly agbidutte anta. I can't find Toto anywhere, replied Dorothy. So Dorothy, what she replied, children? She said the Toto is not anywhere. I'm not finding him anywhere. Toto ellu kanasta illa. Who did not wish to live her little dog behind. So she didn't like to leave the dog there only and come. Understood? Toto had run into the crowd to bark at a kitten, and Dorothy at last found him. She picked him up and ran towards the balloon. So what had happened, the children? Toto had run into the crowd to bark at the kitten. So the Toto had seen a kitten in the crowd there. So it had went there to bark. That is the reason what Dorothy didn't find her, and at last she found him, but she picked him up and ran towards the balloon. So she picked the dog and she ran towards the balloon. Towards the balloon means balloon hatra ododlu. But what happened, children? She was within a few steps of it. In one few steps hatra hogbekittu, and Oz was holding out his hands to help her into the basket when crack. So what he was doing, he was giving his hand to Dorothy and he was trying to help her. But children, what happened? Went the ropes and the balloon rose into the air without her. So what happened, children? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಅವಳ basket ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? The balloon rose into the air without her. Dorothy ಇನ್ನು basket ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. But what happened? The balloon rose into the air. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೇ ಹೋಯ್ತು. Understood? Come back, she screamed. I want to go too. So Dorothy started to scream, please come back. Even I wanted to come with you. I can't come back, my dear, called Oz from the basket. Goodbye, he said. So I can't come back, my dear. I couldn't come. Can he come back from the balloon, children? No, he was not able to come back, said Oz. Okay, and he said goodbye. Goodbye, shouted everyone, and all eyes were turned upward to where the wizard was riding in the basket, raising every moment further and further into the sky. So he said goodbye, and everybody shouted goodbye, and all the eyes were towards the basket which was flying in the sky, where wizard was riding inside the basket. Okay, and every moment were further into the sky, rising every moment further and further into the sky. And that was the last any of them ever saw of Oz, the wonderful wizard. So he flew away very far, and that was the last, children. And never any people saw the wizard once again. Okay, Wizard of Oz they never saw once again. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಜನರಿಗೂ ಅವನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು? The Wizard of Oz. Understood? Yes, children, hope you all have understood the chapter. It was very, very interesting, right, children? You all enjoyed this lesson, right? Yes, children. Okay, now children, again you should read the story Again watch the video and try to understand, children, and also I want you to read the lesson once again. Got it? And hope you all are doing the given work. You all are completing the notes, and don't waste the time at home, children. You are good children, right? You all will follow whatever I say, right, children? Yes, children. Yes. So complete your notes and read the lesson once again. Okay. Yes. Have a wonderful day, children. Thank you.